Hello, YouTubers. It's me, the Garden Snake. Who knew, right? Face reveal, because you've never seen my face, right? I do this YouTube thing full time. I enjoy it. I do it for the fun of it. And, well, I do it for a living. I just said that. Shit, whatever. Point is, I like a little recollection. No, wait, recollection? Recognition? Fuck words, right? I wanted to know people know I do good! You break 100,000 subscribers, YouTube is cool enough to give you a cool silver play button thing, right? Yeah. Well, I don't know if you know, I'm close to 250,000. I've never gotten that. I've been told they can be kind of slow about sending them out. I shouldn't get worried about it. I'll get it eventually. But I keep seeing people who've broken 100,000 since I have and gotten their shit. So you know what I've decided? Fuck it. Today, we're going to build our own. Really? Alright. Go to work. Let's take the truck. Lowe's! Icy roads. Like icy roads, and there's always that one guy who's like, I can go fast. I got a 4-wheel drive. We all got 4-wheel brakes, asshole! Slow the fuck down! Leonidas, you're the man. Let's do this. Yes!
And now I have my silver play button, even if it's homemade. I don't mind if it's made of wood, I've made myself in the garage. Subscribe and join the No Nation.